Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call Wise Man Lawyers. Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call Wise Man Lawyers. Don't face that court alone. Let the Wise Man team get you back on the road. Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call the Wise Man team at Wise Man Lawyers.
Today I was at Brisbane Magistrates Court. Client was charged with low-range drink driving, reading at .064, low-range brackets .05 to .099, mid-range starts at .1 and goes up to .149, and high-range starts at .15. When you're charged with low-range drink driving, if it's your first offence and you don't have any previous of a like nature in the last 5 years, worst case is a 9-month loss of licence, mandatory minimum is 1 month. This was my client's first offence of this type, and because he hadn't lost his licence in the last 5 years, he was eligible to apply for a DUI drink driving work licence, but given that he wasn't going to lose his job, he didn't consider it necessary. Just with regard to DUI drink driving work licences, there's a number of hurdles you need to be able to get over, and one of them is if you're employed, you need an affidavit from your employer saying that if you lose your licence for any period of time, you will lose your job. And the reality is with certain jobs, the person's not going to lose their job, and that was the case in this instance. So it would have been inappropriate to try and suggest to the magistrate that a loss of licence would result in termination, and for that reason no one was willing to sign an affidavit, and rightly so. So my job was one of getting the disqualification down as low as possible, as opposed to applying for a DUI drink driving work licence. As I said, worst case is 9 months, mandatory minimum is 1 month. Above and beyond the disqualification itself, given my client's role required a certain amount of overseas travel, and in fact my client flew back from New York yesterday and last night, landed in Brisbane this morning, and got a taxi straight to court to be here today. So clearly it's not just a fanciful sort of suggestion that he may need to travel overseas with his work at some point in the future. He literally flew back from overseas to be here today. So what I'm getting at is, above and beyond any disqualification, he was concerned about the recording of a conviction and the impact that that may have upon his ability to travel with work, etc. Not just travel, but also his ability to seek promotions and etc. in his employment. As a part of preparing, I got him to attend a reformatory course, the same course we get all of our clients to do, exposes them to the realities of drink driving, so fatalities, injuries, people speak that have either lost loved ones or been injured themselves as a result of drink driving. I drafted an affidavit up for him to sign, talking about what he learned. Got him to get some character references based on a template we provide all of our clients. It guides the referee through who it's going to be addressed to, key points they've got to cover, etc. I met the client at court this morning. We grabbed a conference room, ran through my submissions, the procedure, etc. So before we went in, he knew exactly what was going to happen and be said before it happened and was said. Short version is, I guided the magistrate through who my client was as a person, background, work history, family situation, difficulties he'll suffer while he's off the road, difficulties he'll suffer if there was to be a conviction recorded. I did speak, I won't say at length, but I had to make some substantive submissions, but I kept it brief, just got to the point. I'm of the view that every minute that I prattle on is a minute later the magistrate knocks off. So, short and sweet, but meaningful and substantive submissions. Anyway, the short version is I was successful on both fronts in A, persuading the magistrate not to go past the mandatory minimum 1 month. So my client received a 1 month disqualification. I was also successful in persuading the magistrate not to record a conviction. So 1 month disqualification, modest fine, no conviction recorded. Client's very happy. I'm Andrew Wiseman. Thanks for watching. Hi, I'm Andrew Wiseman from Wiseman Lawyers, Queensland's only truly dedicated drug, alcohol and traffic offence law firm. If you face loss of licence, loss of vehicle, imprisonment or anything in between at any court in Queensland, we can and will help you today. This is our specialty. This is all we do. Give us a call, 1300 947 352. I look forward to helping you resolve your issue today.
Don't face that court alone. Let the wise man team get you back on the road.